Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn on Tittle Underline in the DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn on the Tittle Underline in DuckDuckGo can enhance readability. And by enabling the Tittle Underline, you can easily distinguish between the titles of search results and the accompanying descriptions, making it easier to scan through search results quickly. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open DuckDuckGo browser app on your device. Well, and then here, please open any website. And then you can look for this icon and tap on it. Well, after that, select all settings. And then here you can click appearance. Okay, and then scroll down please. Well, once you found this option, and then you can turn this toggle on like this. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to turn on Tittle Underline in DuckDuckGo app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.